Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change the effects object when you have multiple layers in CapCut. So in here, I have two layers, the main video and also an overlay. And I want to add the effects, but I want to change the object. So I'm going to just add the effects first. In this case, I'm going to add video effects. Then I'm going to add this smart sharpen effect. Okay, just click on the check icon, and after that, if you want to change the object, so now the effects is applied to the main video, but I want it to apply to the overlay. So what you need to do is just click on the effects and then find object, and then in here change the object from main video into overlay. And after that, just click on the check icon, and there you go, the smart sharpen effect is now applied to the overlay. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.